Natural beauty, unspoiled landscapes, opportunities for families to enjoy the great outdoors together. It's harder and harder to find a community offering these qualities and this outstanding quality of life. Yet you can find it today at The Sanctuary, a new Crescent community on Lake Wylie in Charlotte, North Carolina. Here, careful planning and respect for the environment are important parts of the design. It's all about balance, meeting the needs of the people who live here while protecting and preserving the area's natural beauty for future generations.
Audubon International and the Sanctuary formed a partnership several years ago where we decided to work together to develop the Sanctuary as a model for sustainable development.
Crescent Resources is dedicated to achieving these environmentally sound goals. A proven method guides our efforts. It's called green building. Green building is the design and construction process that significantly reduces or eliminates the negative impact of development on the environment. Green building addresses 5 general areas: sustainable site planning, safeguarding water and water efficiency, energy efficiency and renewable energy, conservation of materials and resources, and indoor environmental quality.
Building green, you address a whole host of environmental issues. You reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills. You reduce toxins, which improves indoor air quality. You protect habitats. You protect biodiversity. It's important to build sustainable communities or use the land in a sustainable manner because most of the resources that we use are finite or they're shared among a large group of people. So sustainability really means using natural resources without depleting them. And so by doing that, we really just protect our quality of life and the quality of life for the future generations.
Crescent Resources has followed the measurement standards and design guidelines of LEED, which stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. This is a voluntary national standard for developing environmentally friendly or high-performance buildings. LEED promotes the integrated design process and positive environmental impact of green building.
The reason we chose LEED was because it's the most widely recognized certification that you can have for creating a building that's a green-built building. You know, a lot of folks can say it's a green-built building, but what does that really mean? The LEED gave a step-by-step process and specific items that you implement these items and you get certain points.
Well, the lodge was constructed using many green building techniques. They were carefully considered during the design and through the building, and it really will lessen the impact that the construction of the lodge and the long-term use of the lodge by the residents will have on the environment.
One green building concept and a LEED certification requirement is the control of erosion and sediment runoff during construction. This was especially important when the Audubon Lodge was being built, because the structure is so close to Lake Wylie. Silt fences and temporary sediment traps were used to prevent mud from being washed into the lake. Erosion control was also aided by our extensive use of mulch to cover disturbed areas. This mulch was created by recycling materials located at the job site. In fact, many of the materials used in constructing the lodge are recycled. This includes gypsum board, which is a 100% recycled product, and metal roof panels made from 60% recycled content. Even the floor materials are recycled. The carpets contain a minimum of 25% recycled content in the fibers and 50% recycled content in the backing. And the EcoCycle porcelain tiles are made from 95% once-wasted raw materials.
We have wood that's certified, that is forest grown. We know it doesn't come from an old-growth forest. If we use flooring products that are from bamboo or from cork or from other renewable resources, we are using things again and making better use of the resources that we have.
Energy efficiency is an important part of the green building method. At the Audubon Lodge, all mechanical units are high efficiency and exceed Energy Star requirements. The heating system includes a humidifier. Humidified air feels warmer, so visitors are comfortable at lower heating temperatures. This contributes to a more efficient operation. For water efficiency, LEED credits are obtained through conservation methods. At the sanctuary, water-efficient landscaping reduces irrigation requirements by 50%. For the areas that require irrigation, we use water from the lake, which helps to conserve drinkable water. In addition, all plumbing fixtures at the lodge meet EPA performance requirements, which reduces consumption by 30%. So from floor to ceiling, the Audubon Lodge reflects the benefits of reusing materials and conserving resources.
It's so much more than just having an amenity building. We wanted to further that and go a step beyond and have a certification that showcased the green building efforts we had in that building.
Homeowners at the sanctuary can feel good about their environmentally friendly community. Protecting our resources and preserving natural spaces are not easy tasks. Fortunately, through initiatives such as green building and LEED certification, we're able to make choices that will set the course for a better future. Together, we can continue to create communities that balance respect for the environment with outstanding quality of life.